Most high ticket businesses don't have a traffic problem, they have a conversion problem. If you're a coach, consultant, med spa, or real estate agent, every website visitor matters. But most websites give people only one boring choice: fill out a form or leave. That's where a quiz funnel changes everything. Instead of asking cold visitors to contact you, you let them interact first. They answer a few questions, get a personalized result, and you get a warmer, more qualified lead. Because interactive funnels work by making people participate, not just scroll. So, instead of sending every website visitor to the same static form, what if your website could actually start a conversation? And that is exactly what I'm trying to build today with Involve.me. It's an AI quiz builder that lets you create quizzes, calculators, forms, assessments, and product recommendation funnels. The part I really like is that it doesn't just let you build a funnel, it also captures leads, stores them in contacts, tracks performance with analytics, and even lets you set up built in email automation based on someone's answers, scores, or results. You can head over to the link in the description of this video to check out Involve.me. I'm going to do a full demo today, but before that, let's check out the pricing for Involve.me. You can start for free, there's no credit card needed. The monthly plan starts at $29 per month, where you can build 3 live funnels with 1 user access. You can also do email automations, conditional logic, and there are 50 plus premium features. The most popular plan is the Grow plan, which starts at $69 per month, with which you get 5 live funnels and 2 users included. The Scale plan starts at $139 per month, where you get 25 live funnels. And for an enterprise plan that starts from $399 per month, there are custom limits and custom number of users. So all you have to do is contact sales and get your journey started. If you go for the yearly plan, you can save up to 40% in each of these plans. I think it's a great budget friendly option without hiring a bunch of people in your sales or your lead capturing team. So now that we have established that with just the static form, your website is leaking leads, and that's why we need a quiz funnel that helps you capture, qualify, and follow up. And that is where Involve.me comes in. And for the purpose of this video, I'm doing a demo on a medical spa lead funnel. Let's imagine we run a medical spa. Instead of a generic book a consultation page, we will build a quiz called What Skin Treatment is Right for You. This helps qualify leads based on concerns, budget, timeline, and treatment interest. So this is the editor of Involve.me. This is how the dashboard looks like once you have logged in, and this is the Involve.me AI agent. So I gave it a prompt: create an interactive quiz funnel for a med spa called What Skin Treatment is Right for You. So basically, this is what the customer will see once they land on the website landing page. Then I fleshed out the details a little bit more because the quiz should recommend one of the 4 personalized outcomes based on the visitor's answers. So these are the 4 different outcomes possible from the quiz. I asked the AI agent to create 7 to 9 questions that help qualify the lead based on certain concerns. And then I asked it to add a lead capture form before showing the result. For example, it needs to ask for first name, email address, phone number, city, and preferred consultation time. Then, using a scoring logic, I asked the agent to assign people to the most relevant outcome and also create a simple lead score like a hot lead, a warm lead, or a cold lead. So this is what I asked the AI agent to do for me, and this is the quiz it came up with. This is the quiz intro: what skin treatment is right for you. Answer a few quick questions to discover the treatment path that best matches your skin goals, comfort level, and timeline. And then there is a button to click on start my personalized quiz. So this is the first question, which is like a multiple choice question. The visitor is supposed to answer one question and then click on next. This is the second question we get, which seems very useful information to collect for a medical spa because the age group and the previous visiting patterns, all of these matter so much. Then we have the next question where we are talking about the budget and what kind of experience the visitor is looking for. And lastly, we're talking about the timeline, like how soon the visitor would be likely to start and how serious they are about booking the right treatment. Based on these questions, Involve.me has created an outcome settings for me. You can edit this. You can also add new outcomes, or if you feel the scores are matching with the goals of your business, you can click on save. After that, this is the result page. Basically, for someone who gets a best match of anti-aging consultation, this is the result page they are going to see. These are the two results pages that Involve.me has created based on the prompt I gave. So once these prompts are ready, once the customer has understood what they want, the next step is to capture their details, their name, age, etc., email, etc. After which we can build an email automation channel. For that, I asked Involve.me to create a built-in email automation sequence for each outcome. I gave basic guidelines for 3 emails, and then I gave it an instruction to keep the tone warm, premium, trustworthy, and conversion focused. Since this is a demo, I have not actually created a website for this, and I have not actually collected people's emails. So for now, Involve.me has just given me the text for the email, and it gave me a paste-ready 12 email sequence organized by outcome. So for the first outcome, this is the first email to send immediately. The subject line, the body, and then it's a very short but conversion focused email that will help the customer click on the next steps and then become a paying customer for the medical spa. The second email is supposed to be delayed by 1 or 2 days, and then there is a third email. So there is a 3 email sequence for each result based on the quiz. For the second result also, we got a cool 3 email sequence, and we got the same for the third result and the fourth result. Basically, this goes on to show how powerful Involve.me is when it comes to capturing random visitors and turning them into paying customers. If you had to build this quiz and funnel without an AI agent, you would have to pay for at least 3 or 4 subscriptions, hire one person to write emails for you. But with Involve.me, you can have all of it in one place. Involve.me also has other cool features, like you can connect it to your favorite apps like Airtable, Campaign Monitor, Freshsales, basically whatever apps you use. For example, your newsletter apps like MailChimp, your analytics apps like Google Sheets, or your course selling apps like Kajabi, which is super useful for coaches. There are multiple apps, multiple CRMs that you can connect with Involve.me, and then you can set up a full AI automation for your business. In the settings tab, you can keep a funnel name and a funnel domain, a funnel URL. So far, I have just built a demo, so I'm just showing you a demo URL. But if you have a real website, you can connect your real website here, of course, and then you can send emails directly from here. You can create an email sequence. We already have the text for the emails, so you just have to create the email sequence. There's also the option of sharing social media. So basically, you can control the way your funnel looks when shared as a link on social media on sites like Facebook. When users share it from inside and embed on your website, the sharing title, description, and image from the website are used instead. So you can actually build an image also, how your post will look if people are sharing it on their social media. And the most powerful part, tracking. You can integrate analytics in your funnel and track a wide range of users' actions. You can connect your Metapixel, your Google Analytics, your Google Tag Manager. You can also add your LinkedIn Insight Tag ID, your TikTok Pixel to get very personalized tracking details on how your campaign is performing. Once your campaign, all the details have been set, you can click on publish and your campaign will be ready. And this is the analytics dashboard, how the analytics looks like. For now, the funnel is in draft, so other people can't see it. But once I publish it, the analytics will be visible here. Like how many visitors I got in my website, what is the conversion rate, how many partial submissions I have, how many completed submissions I have, etc. Then there will be the summary of the responses that I got from each user. This is basically a super powerful way to get an idea of how many casual visitors come to your website and how many people are actually interested in booking a service for you. For service-based businesses like medical spas and for individuals who sell services like coaching or consulting, Involve.me is a super powerful tool. It doesn't matter if you're an entrepreneur or you're a business owner. If you have built a quiz funnel and a lead capture AI agent like Involve.me, then I think your business can soar to new heights. So that is the real value of Involve.me. It doesn't just build you a pretty quiz funnel. It turns every website visitor into segmented leads, personalized outcomes, and automated follow-up. If you own a service based business, then replacing a static form on your website with an interactive quiz is one of the simplest experiments you can run. And the best part is you can start for free with Involve.me by heading over to the link in the description of this video. If you found this video useful, please do share it with your business owner friends who might learn something new from it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos pretty much every week. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep hustling. Cheers!